Sometimes you just need to take time off. A day, a week, a month and a half. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel and another episode of the Onesie One Take, where each and every week I come home, put on a onesie, sit in front of my camera, and answer your questions. If this is the first time seeing my face, please make sure it is not the last by clicking that little red subscription button and the bell down below to be updated for each and every future video. This video series is also brought to you by my new and improved mailing list. Stay up to date with everything Vipkid and collect my monthly freebies. Information on how to do so is down below in the description box. And of course, as always, down below in the description box are things I use in my everyday brick and mortar classroom as well as my Vipkid online classroom. None of those things, again, are sponsored. They are just loved and used by me each and every day. Without any further ado, let's jump into today's video. One of the biggest concerns I see from online teachers is this fear of taking time off. A lot of teachers are afraid, if I take time off, are my kids going to leave me? Are they going to go find new teachers and make those teachers their regulars? Am I even going to have a frenzy when I get back? Am I going to have more cancellations than bookings? What is going to happen? I have seen this over the last 4 contracts. I am currently in contract 5 right now, and again, I see it all over the place. So I said, what better way to answer this question than do an experiment myself? I could just sit here and say, yes, I've taken time off and it didn't affect my bookings, which is true, but I said, you know what? This December, I have so much going on in my brick and mortar classroom. I am a kindergarten through 8th grade music teacher, and Christmas and the holiday season really is our Super Bowl season between all of our band, choir, Advent, and 4th grade and 5th grade musical performances. There really was no time to be able to do all of my brick and mortar job, sleep, grocery shop, have a life, and teach online. So I said, I'm going to conduct an experiment. I'm going to say goodbye to my students the week of Thanksgiving, that Monday before the Thursday Thanksgiving break, and then I am not going to teach again until Monday, December 30th. And that is indeed the day I am filming this video. But I did record the entire experience, including the day I said bye to my students. I actually vlogged. The vlog is called Saying Bye to My Vipkid Students. I will pop it up there. But to show you just how bookings are affected after a 5.5 week hiatus, here is footage from the first time I opened my slots and experienced the frenzy since taking the time off. I'm currently looking here on the teacher's portal, and my last class was taught on Monday, November 25th. I taught 4 classes right before the Thanksgiving break, and I have not opened a class. I have not taught a single thing since then. So right now, what I'm going to do, it is currently Saturday, December 21st. Tomorrow is the frenzy. So I'm going to open up some classes and see what I book. I really have no idea what I will book, but I plan on showing you every step of the way. So step 1 is clearly opening up classes, and the exciting part about doing it during that week is I'm still on Christmas break from school, so I can open up classes right up until the 9 a.m. hour. But without any further ado, let's jump over to my schedule. I will share my screen with you and I will show you exactly what classes book, and then tomorrow I will keep you updated during the frenzy, and then the next morning, Monday, when I wake up. Now, just to be clear, I'm going to show you the week of December 30th through Sunday, January 5th. So again, I don't have to teach on those days, so I can open up as many classes as I want. You will see some interested student blocks on these days, and if you're new here, that does not mean I'm guaranteed a student on that day. That just means that there are people who would like that slot if I choose to open it. Also, I just noticed this. I have 2 requested slots, and I will open during those times, and I will give those students those slots. So when you see my screen in a second, I will actually have 2 already booked classes. But without any further ado, here's the screen during my frenzy after a month off. All right, you guys, this is the teacher portal that we are working with. Once again, we are working with Monday, December 30th through Sunday, January 5th. And husband has confirmed with me that he is not working on Monday. No, not Monday. He is working Monday. I meant to say he's not working Wednesday the 1st. Too interested, 7 a.m. on a Saturday. Oh, Leon, only for you. Yes, I'm going to accept that. I am not going to be opening up any slots on Wednesday the 1st. I'm going to, honor that as a holiday. I'm going to make Thursday be a busy day. I'm gonna do 5:30 to 9. If you wonder what that good sound is, that's my husband wrapping Christmas gifts. We keep it real around here. This office is used for a lot. For fun, I know these slots haven't booked a lot since the Ministry of Education changes. I noticed I didn't say Ministry of Magic again. 28 classes. This is 28 classes for the week. I'm going to guess I will book 20, maybe 18. I don't know. We'll find out. But again, right now it is December 21st, and I will see you guys again during the Frenzy. And I believe the Frenzy during the time change is 11 p.m. on Sunday. On Sunday. So I will see you guys in approximately 24 hours. Welcome back. It is now Sunday at 11:10 p.m. So we've just started our Frenzy. If you didn't know, I'm in the Eastern time zone. So 11:10 here means it is just afternoon in Beijing. So the Frenzy did just start. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have 10 here. I am going to go upload a video, do a couple things. I'll check back in with you guys in 20 minutes at 12:30 Beijing. Here we are, 20 minutes later. You can see all of the slots before 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time have booked. So we are at 14 slots booked. I haven't taught since that new Ministry of Education law went into effect. So I have no idea if these last two are ever going to book. Now, obviously, I did take this day off. It's New Year's. And it looks like I'm going to be taking that day off because I don't think I'm going to get the 8 or the 8:30 slot. Let me know down below if you ever book the last two, if you teach in the morning. I'm going to head to bed and then I will catch up and finish this video in the morning and let you know if any of these slots booked in the night. I'm told it's trial students and VIP Kid students who are not in China that can book you. So fingers crossed. Good morning. It is 6:59. I have 48 seconds until my first class and I haven't taught in several weeks. Here we go. And there you have it, you guys. Those are my honest to goodness Frenzy results after taking 5.5 weeks off. You see that I still booked every slot that I opened minus the last two. And I have heard from all the teachers who have continued teaching during my absence that those 2 slots are very difficult to fill because they have to be filled by either a trial student or a student outside of China. That is what I've been told. I cannot confirm those facts are true. That's just what I have been told by other teachers and wanted to share it here. But if you are a teacher who is nervous to take time off, you think you're gonna lose your regulars, you're gonna lose your schedule that you've built over the months and maybe years of being a VIP Kid teacher, I promise you, with good ratings, experience, and parent reviews, your regulars will find you and new students will come into your classroom. Anyway, that is it for today's episode of the Onesie One Take. If you like it, make sure to let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. Once again, make sure you are subscribed down below, click the bell, and of course, I will see you in next week's video. Bye, guys. Yeah, somebody asked where the singing was. Where's the singing, Christopher? When it's the old days, I wrap this present upside down. Here we go. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and another VIP Kid video. This one I am very excited to film because it's kind of an experiment I've been waiting to do for the last 4 weeks, and I got interrupted by this. I can't wait to edit this. It's gonna be so good.
If I did well, ring that bell.
If what? Ring that bell?
If I did well.
If I did well, ring that bell? If I did well, ring that bell?
Ring a ding ding.
Do you guys think I should put my husband in more videos? Let me know down below in the comment section. Online and brick and mortar classroom each and every day. Down below it is called We're never gonna get this video done. It's so cute.
Just do a jump cut to you holding a cat and see if anyone notices.
If you're seriously looking for additional income for you and your family, I highly recommend looking into Vipkid. If you have any other questions, please let me know. My email and referral information is down below in the description, and I would love to help you get into this wonderful community of teachers. Carry on, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.